Alright guys, today is the freaking weekend and I'm supposed to have 2 videos up, but I didn't have them up. So this is going to be a little delayed and late, but I do want to get to 2 things I'm going to cover this video. So I'm going to knock out 2 birds, 1 stone, and this video is going to be a little long. So stick with me to the end, like, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend, comment if you really enjoy your life and you are concerned and you want to know some more information about it. So I'm doing intermittent fasting. I'm doing the 20-40, 16-8 on the weekend. So I decided to just do the 20-40 period. 20-40, and I have lost from the beginning to now, I think it was like 4 pounds, so I'm 211. I have not gained or lost any weight this week because you know I do a weekly update, so I haven't gained or lost anything. That's good. Maintaining, that's not what I want to do. So I'm going to knock down a couple more calories and I'm going to be good with that. And next one will come soon. And I'm going to have to lose about 2-3 more pounds. I've also been doing stairs. I have been jogging. And I have been doing other type of cardio activities for like 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm going to bust them out, do like 20-30. So we're going to hit the gym a little harder this week. We're going to put ourselves in a better deficit for calories. And I should be down a couple more pounds. That is the goal. On top of that, I normally bring out something nice, ooey gooey, delicious. I was just trying to see if I can get a body shot. Can't get a body shot right now. But I will post a picture of how my body is looking because it's not all about the scale. If you weigh yourself all the time, you are going to have a connection. You're going to have an emotional roller coaster, and that's not what you want or want to do with yourself. So, that being said, it's not all about the weight on the scale. Sometimes you just need to realize that your body contour will tell you a little bit more. Okay, so once again, use them apps that I have provided for you from the last video. I will put them up here or here, doesn't really matter, and you want to use them to your ability. It will help you out. Second thing, I'm going to show you a nice, simple, easy meal today. It's going to be a healthy wrap. You can make it with chicken, you can make it with tuna, you can make it with eggs. What do I got over there? Oh, turkey lunch meat. So I'm just going to show you some healthy, easy wraps you can make. I'm going to show you the materials that I'm going to use for this wrap, and then that's about it, and that's all. So follow me in the kitchen because you know it's nothing but to do it, but to get to it, and let's stay on this journey. So hey guys, today I'm going to show you a couple of ingredients that I use to make my wrap. They are calorie conscious. They also are Weight Watcher conscious, and I think they're pretty good for keto or low carbs too. So if you like, subscribe, and hit me up and tell me what you think. So these are flat out. Flat outs are really good. I like flat outs because it's nothing hiding in them. I have the Italian herb flat outs. They have about 3 different flavors. It's only 90 calories per flat out. You get 6 flat outs in here, and literally they're pretty big. On the back, the simple, easy, and ingredients to follow and look at. It's nothing special. They're not hiding anything, and you're not missing anything with these flat outs. Only thing about them, they're a little pricey. They can be like $3, $3.49. I think I got them on sale today for $2.49. But look how big these are. You can put a burger in them. You can make a nice meal. You can make a nice roll up. You can make a nice whatever you want, a wrap. So these are really good. You can make a nice wrap. You can make a sandwich, a burger out of these. You can make tortillas. You can do pretty much whatever you want to do with this. It's a nice size, and it's only 7 grams of protein. It's 2 points for Weight Watcher. It's 90 calories. It's high in fiber. Can't go wrong. So it's called Flat Out. You can get them at your local market, and I like these. So today I'm going to show you how to do a wrap. It's not that much that goes into this wrap, but it's very simple and easy. I'm going to use some Miracle Whip. Normally I have my olive oil Miracle Whip or a light Miracle Whip. I don't have it today because I just don't have it. So I kind of stole that from somebody. But I only use a tablespoon. You don't need more than a tablespoon. And that tablespoon is 50 calories. And you're going to spread that all over your wrap. You don't need more than that. And quite frankly, this is a lot, but I can work with that. Next thing I'm going to put in my wrap, I'm going to add some spinach. You don't have to add spinach, but iceberg lettuce doesn't have any type of nutrients for you. You're not getting any benefits out of it. So I pretty much like to use spinach if I'm going to make a wrap, because I want some type of nutrients out of this. So spinach is what I'm going to use. Next, I like to cut me up a tomato. So I'm just going to cut me up a nice sized tomato. I like to slice them because I'm making a wrap. But if you want to dice yours, go ahead. It's not a big deal. But I'm just going to do a couple slices, just like so. And stick them on my wrap. I think I'm going to do one more to make it even. I also like to put a little bit of red onion. I think red onions are sweeter. They don't have that kick to it. So I'm going to add just a little bit of my red onion to my wrap. And I'm going to slice that up really thin as well. Unless you like thick slices or dices, be my guest. But me, I like them thinly sliced so I can just feather them on here like so. Alright. Next but not least, I'm going to add avocado. If you do not know how to cut an avocado up, just go and review my other videos, because I have something on there about cutting up an avocado, or just Google it. It's not that hard. So I'm just going to put a slice and a half of avocado on here. Like so. I think I'm just going to put that on one side. And you can use turkey bacon or your regular bacon that you normally use. And I'm just going to use a bacon and a half. I'm going to put that on one side as well. I'm going to use some turkey meat. You can use whatever type of turkey meat you like. I'm going to be using honey roasted turkey breast, 60 calories for 2 ounces. I'm not going to use 2 ounces. 2 ounces is 6 slices. I'm going to use 1 ounce, and I'm going to ribbon it onto my wrap. Alright, last but not least, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. Because I have tomato and avocado, I don't want a lot of salt. I'm just going to add a little bit. Just like so, and then ribbon my meat back on top. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take my wrap and roll it under. Now you can roll it like a burrito, or you can just roll the wrap just like I have it right here. Simple, easy, nothing but to do it. It's really cute. Cut it in half, like so. Break it in half. And there you go. You have a simple, healthy wrap. Didn't take too many ingredients in there. It's really delicious and good. We have all the flavors and nutrients that we need out of here. And this is a good meal prep if you do not want to eat the same old boring thing. Simple, easy. Pretty much, I would add like maybe, I would add some grapes to this or fruit. And voila, meal prep. You can even do this with breakfast food. You can do it with chicken. You can do it with tuna. You can do it with a whole lot of stuff. So go ahead, put anything that's low calorie, low carbs, whatever you're following, put it in there, and you're going to have a great day. Alright guys, so now we're going to make a second healthy wrap. It is going to be a tuna wrap. It's not hard. You don't need to do too much with it. And if you're trying to keep it low on carbs and calories, follow my recipe. Once again, we're going to use flat out 90 calories Italian herb. This is one of my favorites. You get 6 wraps in here like I told you before when we made the previous wraps. Very, very good. Alright, so I have my tuna out the can. All I did is put some seasonings and I boiled 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Once again, I'm going to take me a tablespoon of Miracle Whip or whatever you prefer. I do not normally use Miracle Whip, but guess what? That's what I have, and I'm making it work. I'm meal prepping. Meal prepping does not mean you have to go out your way and buy all of this new healthy ingredients. Use what you have. Just following the instructions when it comes to how many calories per measurement. That's what people fail to realize. If you don't follow the calorie count per measurement, you're going to be all the way screwed. Once again, I'm going to use a little bit of spinach. I want me some rich produce in here. So, I'm going to add a couple bits of the spinach leaves. You can use iceberg lettuce if you like, but personally for me, iceberg lettuce does not have any benefits, and I'm just not a fan of it. Now, I like to put a little bit of tomato, so I'm going to give myself a couple slices of this tomato, thin slices. And all I did is just drain the tuna out the can, and I put my favorite seasonings in there, and from there I put a couple sprinkles of salt and pepper, and that was it. And I boiled 2 eggs, okay, because I'm trying to get good protein. So literally I boiled 2 eggs and I seasoned them up with salt and pepper. Next thing, I have a can. This is just a can of tuna, which is 50 calories. And all I did is use the other egg and I put it in the tuna wrap. I used the other egg and put it in the tuna, and the other egg I just seasoned it and cut it on the side. Okay? And you're like, are you sure this is just one? Okay, this is 1 can of tuna, y'all, with 1 egg. Okay? And then I have 2 to 3 dices of cheese in here. That's it. Alright? That's all I need. Now, if you want, you can add a little bit more onion, which I am an onion fan when it comes to my tuna. You do not have to put mayonnaise, Miracle Whip, and all that. If you want to add a little bit moisture, if your tuna's dry, add some mustard. Mustard is a good flavor to boost up for this. And all I do is just sprinkle my red onions. Now, I like a lot of red onions when it comes to my tuna. Will not lie to you. I am a red onion fan, okay? Red onion fan. Now, I'm going to do right now, I'm just trying to get this in y'all vision. Maybe I need to turn it around a little. There we go. So all I'm going to do right now, we have 1 tablespoon of Miracle Whip. We have a little bit of green spinach. We have 2 or 3 slices of tomatoes. We have 1 can of plain tuna drained with 1 boiled egg, diced onions, and salt and pepper, and a little bit of garlic and onion powder. Then I just sliced up some slivers of red onions, which is my favorite, and all we're going to do is go ahead and wrap this up. This is a meal prep, and it's delicious, and it's a wrap. All you're going to do is cut this bad boy in half, like so. Ooh, 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 ooh. I didn't cut this evenly, y'all, but y'all can see this bad boy is looking delicious. That's a meal prep for you. Alright guys, and last but not least, I got one more wrap to show you for meal prep. You're not going to get bored. Simple, easy, and once again, it doesn't take that long. So, you know, flat out, we're using that once again. I'm going to keep showing you that. But this time, we're going to come with some chicken fajitas. You can get these at your local market. You know, I shop at Sam's Club. Sam's Club and Myers. You can find these. They're really good, tasty. So, I just took about an ounce that I measured out, and I have an ounce of it, and I put it in my pan. You have to just warm it up. You don't have to sit there and prolong or cook it. But I am a hot girl. Woo! And I love me some hot stuff. So I was at Kroger's today, and I found some buffalo wing sauce with ranch. New, never had it. Hope this doesn't bother me, but I like hot stuff. So what I'm going to do is just put 2 or 3 tablespoons of this hot, well, it's not hot, this buffalo sauce in my chicken pan, because I made sure they was golden brown and delicious. So all I'm going to do is just pop this open. So I'm going to show you what your girl going to do. Just add a couple dabs of this. That's about it. You want to be mindful, 1 tablespoon is 60 calories. So don't go pouring all this on your food and you're out of calorie zone. So that's like a tablespoon. You don't need a lot. So, stir that around. And it's looking really good. It gives it a nice saucy texture. And let's taste a piece of this chicken. It's good. Like it. Set this aside right quick. And we're going to go ahead and build our wrap. So for this, I'm going to use pepper jack cheese. Really good. You know how I do with the handful of spinach. We're trying to make this a meal. This is not a lunch or a snack. We'll get a couple of slices of tomatoes. And you know how I go in with my red onions. Alright. Now with this wrap, if you want, I will put it back on the oven and just crisp it up so that the cheese can melt. But I'm not all into all that. So what I'm going to do is make sure I get all my juice in my pan in here and drizzle it on top like so. That wrap is looking delicious. Look at that, y'all. Look. Get a closer look. Look at that chicken. And all I'm going to do is just wrap this up. Just like so. So 3 easy wraps. We have a turkey breast wrap, lunch meat deli. We have a tuna wrap, which is really good. And now we have this buffalo style chicken wrap. What is you saying? These are meals in a meal. So if you're meal prepping, look at that. That's delicious. Delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and just sit that in there. Lost a piece of meat. I'm going to stick that piece of meat somewhere in this wrap. Bam. 3 easy meals under 300 calories that you can prep and eat for work. And it should not be that hard. So I'm going to show you one more picture and tell you what it is. This is our deli turkey honey breast wrap with turkey bacon, avocado, mayo or Miracle Whip, onions and tomatoes. Looking delicious. This one we just got done doing is our ranch buffalo style chicken wrap, baby. Look at that. That's delicious. And last but not least, I love a tuna melt and I love tuna. And this one I didn't cut properly, but it don't even matter. You have you a nice tuna wrap. Look at that. That's not playing no games. And that tuna wrap has onion, bacon, lettuce, onion. Oh, we should have did a BLT. But that tuna wrap has onions, tomatoes, spinach, and eggs. Alright, until next time, you like, subscribe, join, tell a friend, tell all of them, comment if you're really enjoying it, and if you want some more easy, healthy meals, or if you want some ooey gooey meals, or if you just want some meals for yourself, for your friends, whatever. Till next time, join me in the kitchen. Nothing but to do it, but let's get to it.